Here I have Huawei MatePad 11.5, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see Huawei logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the following menu you should use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you should select an option clear data and then wipe cache partition. And after you see the message cache wipe complete, select the firstly select back and then select restart, and after that device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.